Hi guys, I'm preparing my dinner for later on today. I'm using the crock pot. I am going to show you how I make this lentil and chicken dish that we all love. I'm using my regular crock pot, reliable, very good. I am not measuring anything right now because I've done this many times. What you can see is frozen chicken thighs, frozen corn, and carrots. I usually cut up the carrots, but since I have this leftover snack carrots, I figure I'll use them before they get bad. I am going to add craisins. I have lentils that I have already rinsed. I have salt and a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to use ground cumin and turmeric, mild curry powder, coriander. I would use mustard seeds, but I don't have them, so I'm just going to put a little bit of regular mustard, powdered mustard. And what I have here, pepper, and I did say salt, and I have some, I'm going to put water, but I also have some leftover chicken broth, which I figure why not use it. So I'm going to put this all in a pot. Once this is all cooked, it's going to cook all day. Once this is all cooked, that's when I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot, cut it up and bring it back, and I'll do the same with the carrots so they are all in bite-sized pieces. I'll show you the results later, but it's going to be fantastic. And I will put down the amounts of the seasoning that I'm using on the blog below this video. So if you're interested, you can make it. I'll talk to you soon. And here is my lentil and chicken dish, or stew if you want to call it, ready. I have chopped up the chicken and the carrots. Oops, there's one here that I need to chop up, but see, I chopped them up in bite sizes. Another thing I want to tell you, if you have any leftover, say spinach or even fresh spinach, this would be a good time to put that in and cover it and let it just cook for a little bit, and you should have a beautiful meal. I will serve this with white rice, and I will post another video with how I cook the rice. See ya. All right, so I have my rice cooker, and I have 2 cups of rice inside the pot. I have the water that I'm gonna add, although I like to add about 3 cups and a quarter of water for 2 cups of this basmati rice, which is what I'm cooking. And I'm going to add garlic powder, onion, dehydrated onion. That because even though I have fresh onions and fresh garlic, I don't want to chop it up right now. A little bit of olive oil, salt, and I'm going to add maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of ground bay leaf. And I'll put water. Sometimes I put chicken broth instead of just the water, and I'll let it cook, and I'll show you later when the rice is ready. And I will serve the lentil stew that I cooked over the rice. I'll see you in a little bit. And here's my dish complete, served with the white rice. And instead of cilantro, which I don't care for, I put some parsley to decorate the plate. So, bon appetit!